Creating compelling visual content is crucial in today's digital landscape. Focus on storytelling through visuals to capture attention and drive engagement. Utilize high-quality images, infographics, and videos to convey messages effectively. Leverage platforms like Instagram and YouTube to reach wider audiences, turning viewers into loyal customers by delivering visually appealing and informative content. Visual content is reshaping digital marketing. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube highlight this shift from text to visuals, fundamentally altering audience engagement. Mastering visual strategies is crucial for marketers to capture attention and drive engagement. This knowledge is essential for creating standout content in a crowded digital landscape. Marketing is the strategic phase that builds awareness and nurtures prospects through engaging content. Sales is the conversion phase, closing deals with prepared prospects. Visual content is vital in marketing, capturing attention and building emotional connections, thus smoothing the sales process. It bridges initial awareness and final conversion in digital marketing. Traditional marketing channels like TV and radio offer mass reach but lack precise targeting and measurable return on investment. In contrast, digital channels such as social media and video platforms provide two-way engagement, precise targeting, and real-time analytics. This allows for cost-effective campaigns with measurable results, enhancing the ability to optimize and improve marketing strategies continuously. Brands are shifting budgets to digital for hyper-targeted reach, allowing precise demographic and behavioral targeting. Digital platforms offer cost efficiency, enabling small businesses to compete with major brands. Measurable results through analytics provide insights for continuous optimization. Creative flexibility through A/B testing allows quick, affordable experimentation to discover what resonates with audiences. Visual content excels at every marketing funnel stage, from grabbing attention to boosting conversions. Images and videos consistently outperform text-only content across digital platforms, enhancing engagement and effectiveness. This superiority is evident in metrics that matter, making visuals indispensable for impactful marketing strategies. Content with relevant images garners 94% more views, enhancing visibility. Visuals are 40 times more likely to be shared on social media, amplifying reach. They also boost information retention to 65% after 3 days, compared to 10% for text. The brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster, making them crucial in capturing attention. Our brains prioritize visual information, with the visual cortex using 30% of processing power. Visuals capture attention before conscious thought, triggering faster emotional responses. Colors evoke feelings, faces create connections, and movement demands attention. Key facts: 90% of brain information is visual, processed in 13 milliseconds, and color boosts brand recognition by 80%. Infographics simplify complex data, making it easy to understand and share. High-quality product images build trust, showcasing multiple angles and lifestyle shots to boost conversions. Behind-the-scenes content humanizes brands, fostering emotional connections. User-generated content offers authentic social proof, enhancing credibility while cutting content creation costs. Video marketing is essential in today's digital landscape. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok prioritize video, making it crucial for engagement. Marketers must adapt by creating compelling video content to stay relevant. Understanding platform-specific algorithms and audience preferences is key to leveraging video effectively in marketing strategies. From 2016 to 2018, Facebook and Instagram introduced video features, making live streaming mainstream. By 2019, TikTok's global rise marked short-form vertical video as the fastest-growing format. In 2021, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts emerged, with platforms prioritizing video. By 2023, video comprises 82% of internet traffic, essential for brand relevance. Short-form videos, found on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, last 15-90 seconds. They're ideal for brand awareness and viral content due to high engagement and easy consumption. Long-form videos, on platforms like YouTube and webinars, range from 5 to 60 plus minutes, perfect for education and thought leadership, offering detailed explanations and building authority. Capture attention in the first 3 seconds with movement or bold text. Deliver your message quickly. Short-form viewers demand immediacy. Optimize for silent viewing with captions and visual storytelling. Include clear calls to action, guiding viewers to follow, comment, or share. These strategies ensure your short-form content is engaging and effective. Long-form videos excel in educational content, offering tutorials and in-depth guides that establish your brand as an industry authority. Storytelling through case studies builds emotional connections, while webinars and live streams foster real-time engagement. Optimize for search engine optimization on platforms like YouTube to rank for valuable keywords and drive organic traffic. Choosing the right video format depends on time investment, audience stage, business goals, and content complexity. Short-form videos require frequent posting and are ideal for brand awareness. Long-form videos, posted less frequently, are suited for in-depth education and conversion. Successful brands strategically balance both formats to achieve their objectives. Modern tools have democratized visual content creation, eliminating the need for expensive software or advanced design skills. These tools empower marketers to produce professional quality visuals effortlessly, enhancing their ability to engage audiences effectively. With intuitive interfaces and robust features, anyone can create compelling content that resonates and drives results. Canva empowers non-designers with its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface and extensive template library. With over 250,000 templates, brand kits for consistency, and collaboration tools, it simplifies professional graphic creation. Features like Magic Resize and a vast stock library make it indispensable for diverse visual content needs, from social media to marketing materials. CapCut offers intuitive timeline-based editing, ideal for both beginners and professionals. Effortlessly split, trim, and arrange clips. Its extensive music library and auto-sync features ensure engaging audio. Auto-caption generation, animated text, and effects enhance silent viewing engagement. Regularly updated effects and transitions keep content fresh and algorithm-friendly. Canva Pro excels in graphic design with over 250,000 templates and features like Magic Resize and brand kits, ideal for social media and marketing. Adobe Premiere Pro offers professional video editing with advanced tools for long-form content. Loom provides quick screen recording and video messaging, perfect for tutorials and client updates with instant recording and transcription. When comparing tool ecosystems, Canva and CapCut offer a balance of ease of use and cost efficiency, ideal for intermediate marketers. Canva scores high in accessibility, while CapCut excels in video editing. As skills advance, transitioning to Adobe Creative Suite provides professional results, though it requires a higher skill level and budget. Let's dive into creating a social media graphic. Start by choosing a compelling blog headline. Log into Canva, search for an Instagram post template, and select one that aligns with your brand. Customize it by adjusting fonts, colors, and layout. Ensure visual hierarchy and readability. Finally, export and review your design for effectiveness. Select a compelling blog headline that is specific and curiosity-driven. Log into Canva, choose an Instagram post template, and customize it with your headline. Adjust fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand. Ensure visual hierarchy and readability. Export as PNG or JPG and review on your phone for clarity. Ensure your design's primary message is the most prominent, with supporting text secondary. Maintain brand consistency by aligning colors, fonts, and logos with your brand guidelines. Check technical requirements, correct dimensions, high resolution, and mobile readability. Incorporate engagement elements like eye-catching visuals, clear calls to action, and emotional appeal to enhance interaction. Glossier leveraged user-generated content to achieve a $1.2 billion valuation, fostering authenticity over traditional ads. Airbnb's visual storytelling on Instagram redefined them as a lifestyle brand, focusing on experiences. Chipotle's early TikTok adoption, with engaging challenges and behind-the-scenes content, resonated with Generation Z, enhancing brand perception and generating billions of views. Visual content is essential in digital marketing, boosting views by 94%. Short-form videos enhance awareness, while long-form builds authority. Tools like Canva and CapCut simplify creation, requiring only creativity and strategy. Consistent practice and iteration lead to success. Effective marketing informs and entertains, attracting audiences naturally.